Today is the day, baby. Today is the day we gonna call LMR. As y'all know, it was making a noise. I've sent it to a couple of mechanics, a couple of technicians. They all say it's a lifter failure. So the engine ain't hurt after all. I was dealing with a lot with this car and we got it together. Now we're having typical LT4 issues, you know, lifter failure issues, stuff that they recommend us to handle before we get to this point. But here I am.
Hershey, we're going up. Yeah, it's time to get the streets what they been missing. Just love the trap, it been a cool day, I counted 50. Yeah, this that cook crack, nigga, fresh up out the kitchen. Yeah, this that double Vette TSA with underarm. I saw so many, I get my own percentage at the farm. This ain't no cut dope, the rawest form, I'm in my prime. It ain't no rolling paddy, AP, then you wasting time. Nigga, I be damn if I just waste mine. Convicted feeling, still got it on my waistline. That shit don't make black but no money, that shit don't make sense. I did that shit, that's all the love, I ain't had to make shit. I turn a 1 and 2, a cop a 3 and make 6. A nigga ain't never tried to rob me, I don't take shit. My nigga love to kill, he taking hits. $250,000, I just turned down that deal cause it ain't shit. My dog money swap, he hit licks. Whatever he make, it's all profit. He got free bricks. I done turned my trap up all exotic for that cheap shit. Can't no nigga around here beat my prices. I got sweet licks. Drop that on the top, ain't got no time for none of this beef shit. Can't do in the drop, nigga, it's my time. I got the streets lit. Soon as they come in, got them going out. I been poppin', I done poppin' shit, they say I'm showing out. Fuck it through my door, can't no nigga beat my ticket. This shit for real, it's time to get the streets what they been missing. It's what they missing. Get the streets what they been missing. This shit for real, it's time to get the streets what they been missing. Get the streets what they been missing. This shit for real, it's time to get the streets what they been missing. I'm motivated to the trap, nigga, I'm the one supply your plug. If you shopping in the jack, ain't got no trouble, shot with us. I'm giving motivation to the trap, I been trying to find some bugs. I got my nigga racing to the rap, who the first one make a dub, you get a stack. This shit members only, now we hit the club, come through the back. I'm in this field, hands on, I been thumbing through the rack. We had to find another spot, cause they had got too high, caught them traps.